Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Gadak Dhanashree. Today we will discuss solution of algebraic and transcendental equation. First, let us see concept of expression. Expression like 2 into 10 plus 3, 3 into 100 plus open bracket 2 into 10 plus 4. Expressions are formed from numbers like 4, 10, 100, 3 and so on. To form expression, we use all four numbers of operation such that addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. One important point is the expression containing variables also. Let us see first what is algebraic expression. This algebraic expression is an algebraic statement which contain coefficients, variables and constant. See here 4x plus 5. This is algebraic expression because which contain coefficients, variables and constant. Next, what is algebraic equation? In which left hand side equal to right hand side, then it is algebraic equation. For example, 4x plus 5 is equal to 9. If we put value x is equal to 0, so 4 into 0, 0 plus 5 means 5 equal to 9. So not left hand side not equal to right hand side. So this is not algebraic equation. If we put value x is equal to 1, so 4 plus 5, 9. 9 equal to 9 means left hand side equal to right hand side. So this is algebraic equation. Next, an expression of the form f of x is equal to a0 x raised to n, a1 x raised to n minus 1 plus and so on plus n minus 1 into x plus n. Here a0, a1, a2, an are constants. a0 not equal to 0. N is positive integer, then it is called polynomial in x of degree n. These polynomial satisfied equation means f of x is equal to 0 is called algebraic equation. The expression f of x involves some other functions such as trigonometric, logarithmic, exponential. Then f of x is equal to 0 is called transcendental equation. If f of x is quadratic, cubic, biquadratic equation, then the algebraic formulas are available for finding the roots. But when f of x is polynomial of higher degree or expression which involves transcendental functions, algebraic methods are not available. So in this chapter we shall discuss some numericals method for finding the solution of equation. The value of x for which an equation f of x is equal to 0 is satisfied, then it is called root, and the process of finding the roots is of equation is known as solution of that equation. Next, bisection method. Bisection method is based on intermediate value theorem. So what is intermediate value theorem? So given function f of x is continuous in the interval close interval x0 x1, then images of two endpoints have opposite signs, means f of x0 and f of x1 have opposite signs, then there exists at least one root between x0 x1. We use this theorem in bisection method. First we choose two trial points x0 x1 such that image of x0 is f of x0, image of x1 is f of x1 have opposite signs, that is f of x0 less than 0 and f of x1 greater than 0, or f of x0 greater than 0 and f of x1 less than 0. Search interval for the root is open interval x0 to x1. So now we bisect this interval, open interval x0 to x1, denote midpoint x2. x2 is x0 plus x1 upon 2. If f of x2 is 0, then x2 is correct root of. Otherwise, the root lies in between open interval x0 x2 or in between open interval x2 to x1, depending upon f of x2 is positive or negative. Suppose f of x2 is positive, then search root in this interval, open interval x0 x2. Suppose if f of x2 is less than 0, then search the interval, open interval x2 to x1. Here we notice that in either case the new search interval is half of the previous interval. Again we bisect the new search interval and the process is repeated. Thank you.